I'm going to show you how to clip your chicken's wings. If you have chickens, then at some point you're probably going to have to give them a haircut. Feather cut. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt them, it's just like getting your nails trimmed. The hardest part is catching them. I usually use a trick where I put my hand in one direction and force them towards my body and then pick them up. It works about 1% of the time. You want to hold the chicken so the wing that you're not cutting is tight against your body, that way it can't flap in your face. Then you want to spread their wings to expose the primary flight feathers, which I'll show you now. My finger line is the line you want to cut. Little trick to put your hand underneath the wing, and that'll stop that wing from moving and free up your other hand for cutting. Cut off the primary wings. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you only have to do one side, because doing one side destabilizes their flying ability. Feel a bit bad, chicken watching its wing getting cut off, but he's okay about it. And give them a little treat to say sorry. There it is.